there! In this video, I'll show you how to create both a one-time purchase and a recurring subscription using the same WooCommerce product. Let's build it together. Go to Products, Add New Product. Let's create a product called Website Maintenance. Add your product description as usual. Add product image. Now scroll down to product data. Enable subscription. First, let's enable one-time purchase. This option allows customers to buy the service only once without any recurring payments. We'll set the regular price to $299. This represents a one-time website optimization service. Now, let's configure the recurring subscription. Set the subscription price to $19 every month. Until the subscription is cancelled, we do not offer a sign-up fee and a trial period for this product. Since we're only offering a single subscription plan, there's no need to enable variable plans. Publish the product. Let's see how it looks on the storefront. Customers immediately see two purchasing options. They can purchase the service once or subscribe for ongoing monthly maintenance. We will change the button text from one-time purchase to lifetime license. Let's save and see again. Let's choose the monthly subscription. View cart. Customers know exactly how much they'll pay and how often they'll be billed. Proceed to check out. Let's place the order. After placing order, customers can immediately see the subscription status, the next payment date, and the billing cycle. Customers can also manage their subscription anytime from My Account page. Here, they can view subscription details, update their payment method, renew manually if needed, or cancel subscription. As the store owner, simply go to WooCommerce Subscription. Here you can monitor every active subscription. And that's it, how easy it is to sell both one-time purchases and recurring subscriptions using a single WooCommerce product. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.